Welcome. It's a beautiful day today. How Google index website and rank websites. Watch me take you on that. Okay, welcome to NailaLearn.com. My name is Mbono Waxin. I've already made a blog post on this. So just head on to NailaLearn, go to the blog section. This is the post. Okay, so it's easy to navigate. If you're visiting from mobile, just toggle the menu to blog and news. Okay, depending on when you are watching this video. This post was made on 28th of December 2022. Okay, so depending on when you are visiting, okay, here is the post. So you can as well use this keyword to search for it. Okay, just copy it, then go to search bar, click enter and say search. You're good to go. Okay, so this is it. You can click it and it will take you straight to the post. Okay, how Google index and rank website. The truth is that Google index is completely different to Google ranking. Okay, so and again, Google can index your website and may possible not rank your website. Okay, so that Google has indexed your website doesn't mean that your website or your web page or your blog page or your article is ranked. Okay, so now let's go to Google. This is Google. Are you seeing? So let me come back. Google.com. This is Google. Okay, now my name is Mbono Waxin. Let me use my name, Mbono Waxin. That's my name. Okay, so now this is Mbono Waxin. This is my personal website. Okay, now this site is ranking on Mbono Waxin. I'm giving you an example. Okay, so if you also go here, I have also given other example. Like here, I said that Google index and rank your website begins with Googlebot visiting your website. It comes as a crawler. It crawls your website. Okay, so when it crawls your website, the next thing it does is to discover your website. It will discover your website. Then after it has discovered your website, it can index it, it can ignore it. Okay, so if it indexes it, then your website is indexed. Now, for example, now this post was recently published. You understand? And this is the keyword. Let's say this is the keyword, long tail keyword we are targeting. Okay, let's go again to Google. Let's go to Google. You understand? As you can see, I'm not here. In fact, Google developer is ranking number 1. Okay, but take note. Maybe for me to rank here, at first I need to wait for Google to crawl this page. Google has not crawled the page. Okay, even when you try, let me use the URL. Let's search by the URL. Now, when Google crawl your website, discover your website, then index your website. If you search your website using the keyword, there is possibility of you not showing up, not appearing on the first pages of Google results. Okay, but when you copy the URL, okay, you will find your website. Okay, this has not been indexed. Wow, it has been indexed. Wow, it has been indexed. Okay, it has been indexed. Okay, it has not. This is one of my old page. Okay, how to index. Okay, this particular one has not been indexed. This is a different article on this song related to this. Okay, if you have been following me a few days ago, I discussed on how to do what, rank you overall of your website. Okay, let's come here. Let's go to NailaLearn. How to rank, in fact, how to dominate SEO, how to dominate Google SERP using topical going topical. Okay, going topical simply mean using related keywords, targeting related keywords, creating related topics. Okay, so now I use URL to search. This is the URL, how Google index and rank website. And guess what, I have a post related to this here, which has already been ranked from different keywords. So okay, so now to come back to our article, how Google do what, rank. Repetition has always been the mother of learning. I said when you make a publication, when you publish an article, what Google does, it's maybe depending, you understand, if you have instant indexing, like I believe in the less than 2 hours or 24 hours, Google will crawl this page and definitely it will index it. Okay, so Google will, first of all, when you make a publish, Google will crawl it. Then after crawling it, it will discover it. After it has discovered it, then it will now move to index it. That doesn't mean that you have rank. For you to rank, you need to work. For you to rank, you need to work. Most importantly, when you have gotten all this, your article, when you have gotten your own page correctly by writing quality content, then by linking the related page. Okay, as you can see, this is an related page. I have to also link this page to this. Okay, as well link this page to this. Are you seeing it? So then when you get your own page right, the next thing you need to work on is getting your off page right. Okay, so I have made a step-by-step video on this live on our SEO course. You can get the course. Okay, apart from getting the course again, there's also backlinker. We have backlinker, build backlinks. Okay, in fact, when it comes to off page, it's all about backlinks. It's all about what goes outside your website. Okay, so you can write a great content, congratulations, but if you fail to do what, to bring quality what goes outside your website to that page, you may not rank. Are you getting it? So this is simple how Google work. Okay, when you work on your site professionally, you give yourself quality, you work based on what, helpful content, something helpful to the online community, something helpful to what people are searching. When you have gotten this thing there right, then you need to work on the off page. You need to work on the distribution, which is the queen. By so doing, you will rank. Okay, it may take days, it may take days. Okay, it may even take weeks. In some cases, it might take months. So you have to also be patient. Are you getting it? So that is simple how Google index and rank website. That is simple how it works. Are you getting it? So that is how it works. I would recommend you to get our SEO course. Okay, get it. Okay, guess what? Even the SEO course comes with the backlink ranker too. Okay, it comes with several tools. Like if you're getting this course, you will get this backlink ranker kit for free. Okay, so just use them. 2023 is around the corner. Prepare. Google is not dying. Google is still here with us, and Google will continue. In fact, it will continue. Okay, so that is it for now. And I remember my humble self, Mbono Waxing. Okay, I would also like you to do what, visit World Forum Live and sign up. Okay, so visit World Forum Live, create your account, sign up. There are more goodies live here at worldforumlive.com. Thanks you and compliment of the season. Bye for now.